Yes. Now I taste this. It's good. Red amaranth chicken is tasty. It's very healthy also. Wow. Friends, today I come here with a new innovative recipe. Red amaranth chicken. Chicken with red amaranth leaf in it. This very healthy and tasty chicken recipe. Chencheera chicken. Chuvanna chicken. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for my latest new innovative recipes. Here I have 1 kg chicken, 50 gram red amaranth leaf or Laal Saag, chencheera, 2 tomato, a big red onion, some red chili soft in a water, some coriander stems and roots. This will give you the real flavor from the coriander, not leaf. Some fenugreek seeds, black pepper, fennel seeds, cumin seed, coriander seeds, fennel powder, turmeric powder and garam masala. Cinnamon stick, star anise, nutmeg, half a piece, mace, black cardamom, small green cardamoms, clove, bay leaves, some cashew nuts, garlic, ginger, a lemon. Grind all ingredients: red chili, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, black pepper, fenugreek seeds and star anise, black cardamom, green cardamom all together with coriander stem. First I am going to blanch this red amaranthus water, bring it boil. Water is boiled well, now add this. Look this, give a good color. Now remove this from here and put it in ice water. Take this from the water and squeeze well. Now grind it in a puree. Heat a small kadai, add oil, add this onion and fry. Yes, it's fried well. Remove it from the fire. Add oil. I am using the same oil which is used to fry the onions. Ginger garlic. Green chili, bay leaf, remove this green chilies now. Now add curry paste. Now add little bit of chickpea flour or besan. Now red amaranth puree. Now add tomatoes. Add little more salt in it. Turmeric powder. Now add chicken in it. Cover it up and cook for a while in a low flame. Stir it. Now the curry is ready. Garnish with coriander leaves, fried green chilies and fried onions. Squeeze a lemon on top. Add little more fennel seed powder, garam masala. Yes, now I taste this. But Amaranth chicken is tasty. It's very healthy also. Wow! The spice, the taste, all are well. The red amaranth is having full of vitamin. It's good. I hear that is good for eyes. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you like this video and hit bell icon for next videos. Thank you.